Alright, part two. This is just me showing the scripting of uh, the moving vehicle, as I could only record 10 minutes using this stupid program. So anyway, this is part two, and it's just showing how to script it. So here we have. So first thing you do is create the thread for the function, which is move vehicle. See that, move vehicle. And then down here we've got function move vehicle. That's what we called it. The function, you have to write function and then what the function is, move vehicle. I'll put the code in the description anyway. This waits till the initial black screen is passed. This is an entity. See, we've got what the entity is called. I don't think you have to have level there. You could probably get away without level dot being there. But that's what the entity is called. VHTrain, level.VHTrain. It gets the entity. The entity is called vehicle, cableway, and that's the target name. And then you got this here is the health of it. This here says that it can be damaged. This here makes it a moving platform. And this here sets the max speed. So one of the things we've got to do is create this entity, which is a vehicle node, the NPath2, GetVehicleNode, cableway2, target name. This is what the vehicle node is called in Radiant. That's the target name of it. And then we have mPath, which is another path, the target name of that GetVehicleNode. That's the first path, and that's the second path. And I created a third one just to demonstrate what you can, you can just keep adding them if you want, that sort of thing. So here we've got a while loop, which is while one, which is while true. It does the following things. It gets this entity, which is train, and I've called it train trigger. That's the target name of it. It waits till the player triggers it, and then this is a SetHintString, which shows you the following text. And this is train enable linkto and train linkto, which is the trigger entity linking to the VH train entity, but it's not a train, it's a boat. I've just called it that. Then it hides the trigger, hides the entity train, which is the trigger, and then it starts the path. So the entity AttachPath, which is nPath start, we have up here nPath start. That's the vehicle node. So it attaches, it starts it path, and then you got the speed here, which is set to 4. And then it waits 30 seconds, and then it shows the train entity, which is the trigger. And then once the player triggers it, it hides it again, and then it attaches. And then it attaches the second path, which is nPath start 2. Start path, set speed immediate 4, wait 30 seconds. And that's the end of the code. So then I've got down the bottom train show, because it's going in the loop, it will show that trigger again, so you can repeat this over and over and over again. Repeat the code. So I'll show you again in Radiant to make sure it's clear. Yeah. Yes, please. Alright, so now we're in here and I'll show you. Okay, so we've got the code side of things. And in Radiant, got the trigger, which is the train entity, train trigger. See here, train entity, train trigger. Then we got the vehicle itself, which target name is vehicle cableway. In the code, it's the entity vehicle cableway target name. Sorry? I'm doing a tutorial. No, sorry. And then you have the starting node. You have to say start node, and it's cableway. So you can see in the script, vehicle node cableway target name. So these other ones, they don't need to have a target name because that's just the path. So you can leave them with no target name, and then go around here, and then the second path has start node target name cableway 2, and that'll go all the way around to here. Alright, now let's test it in game, see if it works. Run map. Oh, that's a map I created the other day. If you're interested, it's on the workshop. Mm. Okay, yeah. Okay. It's fine, just yeah. Yes, please. Alright, they're in the boat. For some reason the text doesn't show up, but the trigger's there and it does work to start off with. I'm not sure why that's happening. But you press action button and there we go. The code's set up, the boat's moving. Whatever vehicle you want will be moving. Alright, so as I said in the code, it goes all the way to the end of the first path. It waits 30 seconds and then you can press the trigger again and then it goes on the second path and it repeats that cycle over and over again. Alright, that's all folks. See you on the next one.